everyone, welcome back to tutorial millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your nose on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click a new project. Add the video that you want to edit, this one. Click add at the bottom. Now I will show you, this is the original nose, the original nose like this, but in here I wanna resize this nose, so just click on the video, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see and change this one. Click on it, and in here you can click on the face. In here you can click on the face and click this one, slim nose. Click on it, and you can swipe this button like this to resize your nose like this. You can see the nose before, after, before, after, before, after, like this. After this, you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to resize your nose on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.